How to fix ChatGPT not working in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix ChatGPT not working in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is try disabling your extensions. To do that, head over to your extensions on the top right here, the puzzle icon, tap on Manage Extensions, and here you can either remove this or simply disable this. So after you do this, you can go back to your ChatGPT and try using it. If that does not work, you might want to try to clear its cache. So head over to your settings, tap on the three dots on the top right, tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, you can head over to your privacy and security, and here you will see third-party cookies. Head over there, you can clear everything up, or if you want to clear something particularly, you can head over to your delete browsing data, and here you can head over to advanced and you will see cached images and so much more. Simply delete all of your data of your cache and then try using your ChatGPT and it should be working just fine. And that is how you can fix the problem, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to AppHacks and bye bye, take care.